folks, I have an alto to show you today. This is for Mary, a repeat customer, number 985. And the top is some beautiful curly Port Orford cedar. Really stunning, and it's got the little bird's foot purfling, or sorry, the ombre purfling. The rest is some straight grain walnut from here in our valley. And then it's also got that purfling on the back with the walnut binding. Port Orford cedar and walnut neck. Walnut fretboard. So basically 2 woods. And it's just lovely. Yeah, it's really got a cool resonance for such a small instrument. So yeah, that's number 985, ready to go. Cheers.